Have you ever dreamed of owning your own home but felt overwhelmed by the mortgage process? What if I told you that getting a home loan could be fast, simple, and even done online? In today's video, we're diving deep into Rocket Mortgage, how it works, its advantages, and whether it's the right choice for you. Stay tuned because this might just be the key to unlocking your dream home. Rocket Mortgage, a product of Quicken Loans, revolutionized the mortgage industry by introducing a fully digital and streamlined process. Instead of dealing with endless paperwork and long approval waits, Rocket Mortgage allows you to apply for and manage your home loan entirely online. With just a few clicks, you can check your eligibility, compare rates, and even get pre-approved, all from the comfort of your home. So, how does Rocket Mortgage make home buying so easy? The process is broken down into a few simple steps. Application process. You start by entering your financial details online. Rocket Mortgage uses automation to verify your income, credit score, and assets, eliminating the need for excessive paperwork, loan options, and pre-approval. Based on your details, you'll receive personalized loan options with competitive interest rates. The platform even allows you to tweak your terms to see how different loan structures affect your payments, approval, and closing. Once you choose a loan, Rocket Mortgage handles the underwriting quickly. Some customers receive full approval in just a few hours. Closing is seamless, with digital document signing and fast processing. Many traditional lenders require in-person visits, excessive documentation, and weeks of processing time. Rocket Mortgage eliminates these hurdles. Here's why it stands out: speed and convenience. The online platform makes applying and managing your loan effortless. Transparency. Users can adjust loan terms in real time to see exactly how much they'll pay. Customer support. Even though it's digital, you still get access to 24/7 expert assistance. Let's compare Rocket Mortgage with conventional banks. Processing time. Traditional banks take weeks. Rocket Mortgage offers same-day approvals. Documentation. Manual paperwork versus automated digital verification. User experience. In-person banking versus a fully digital, user-friendly interface. While traditional banks may offer more personalized services, Rocket Mortgage is unbeatable in terms of speed and simplicity. Rocket Mortgage is ideal for tech-savvy homebuyers who prefer an online process, those who need quick approvals, people looking for a transparent and customizable loan experience. However, if you have complex financials or need in-depth consultations, a traditional lender might still be a better option. So, is Rocket Mortgage the future of home loans? With its fast, digital, and hassle-free approach, it's certainly a game changer. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or refinancing, Rocket Mortgage offers a seamless experience that puts you in control.